Hello, I'm Amy. It's a pleasure to meet you here. This is my first time to meet you on camera. I've been in position since the prototyping industry for nearly 10 years. I now run my own business in Naira and Estate. Previously, I worked as the assistant for managing European projects. Many clients work with me for almost a decade without ever meeting in person. Why? Because they don't trust my quality and reliable services. Now, let's take a look at my daily work. The first thing I do every day is to check clients' emails, to arrange tasks and assign them to the relevant department to ensure every project stays on track. When I receive new machining order, I assign it to the order management department, appropriately input in ERP system and ensure smooth transaction of the project to production. After this done, I will be in the quality control department to review the recent inspection data. Quality is our fault. I personally go check to ensure all parts meet the client standards before shipping.
Then I go check with logistic team to confirm shipping details like labels, material certificates. I'll notify clients and discuss project progress and sending weekly report to keep clients updated.
I send clients in Europe and the US from various industries, including medical, automotive, robotics, communications, etc. Constant quality and efficient response are the keys to make the clients trust. If you have any prototype machine needs, feel free to contact us anytime.